Hi everyone, I'm Karthik Raut, co-founder and director of Dr. Tutorials. At Dr. Tutorials, I head technology and operations. Along with me, I have two other co-founders, Advik and Adit. We've started Dr. Tutorials in 2020 September with a mission and vision to provide quality education at affordable pricing. So at Dr. Tutorials, we provide online packages along with offline materials as well. Based on the feedback of the students, 1 year into the organization, we had to start giving out the offline workbooks as well, as it is very helpful for the students for their preparation. So after 1 year, 3 months, we've done the analysis. We've seen that our costs going high, and there are a lot of challenges that we are facing in terms of delivery, in terms of meeting with timelines of printing and everything. So that's when we've decided to have an in-house setup for the entire printing process. So while we were scouting for companies who can provide us with good printers, I've heard from one of the sales executives from the market, who's also a part of renowned printing organizations, that there's this company called RISO, and it provides really good machines. So we happened to take 3-4 demos from different companies, and I think the final was RISO has 165 ppm, so which is the highest among the ones that we have taken the demo. And in terms of cost, in spite of being a color printer, it is giving us with a very less cost. So we happened to buy one of the machines, called ComColor GL9730 from RISO in September 2023, and we have observed for 8 to 10 months. And as we are also a new organization, our business also started to get more number of subscribers on board. And eventually we had to give out more copies of books. So we've done the analysis, and in our analysis we've understood that our delivery rate got higher. The number of issues that we were facing got lower, and in terms of cost, we almost saved up to 40% of our costs of printing. So that's when we decided to bring 3 more machines. And I think in the month of June 2024, we have bought 3 more machines. And in the first 6 months of buying the first machine, we've printed about 3.5 million copies. And as the demand for these copies was increasing in our segment, we had to get 3 more machines. And now I think we are able to deliver books on time to the students. After purchasing these printers, we have done a detailed analysis, and in our analysis we've understood that we are saving a lot of time, money, and we are able to keep up the trust of our subscribers by delivering things on time.